if you are asked to determine the sum of 5 natural numbers, it means you are asked to find the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we can easily do this using recursion. So here I'm going to have def. For this function, I'm going to call it sum net. And this is num, which is the number of terms. Then the next thing we're going to do is to establish the base case scenario, or the base case. The base case is if the number of natural numbers is 0. In that case, it's going to return 0. So here I can write if num is less than or equal to 0, then return 0. So apart from this base case scenario, what happens when the number is above 0? So in that case, we're going to use recursion to continually call on the sum nat until we get to the base case scenario. So here we can have return, I'm going to have num plus sum nat. Here I'm going to decrement the num, so here I have num minus 1. So this is going to continually keep calling the sum nat until we get to the base case scenario where it returns 0. So let's go ahead and use the function. So here I have result is equal to sum nat. Then I'll provide the num, which stands for the number of natural numbers. So if I put 5 here, I can go ahead and print result, and this is going to give me the sum of 5 natural numbers, which should be 15. If I change this to 100, it's going to give me the sum of 100 natural numbers, which is 1 to 100, and the value is 5050.